Module 5, Understanding Financial Risk and Decision-Making for Non-Financial Leaders. Overview. Module 5 focuses on financial risk management and informed decision-making, equipping non-financial leaders with the knowledge to identify, assess, and mitigate financial risks that impact organizational performance. Leaders frequently encounter decisions involving investments, projects, budgeting, and resource allocation. Without understanding financial risks, these decisions may expose the organization to losses, inefficiencies, or missed opportunities. This module empowers you to evaluate risks, consider financial implications, and make decisions that balance risk and reward strategically. 1. Introduction to Financial Risk Definition and Importance of Financial Risk Management for Non-Financial Leaders. Types of financial risks: operational, market, credit, liquidity, strategic risk exposure versus risk tolerance. Understanding the consequences of unmanaged risk on organizational performance. 2. Risk, identification and assessment tools. For identifying potential financial risks. Quantitative versus qualitative risk assessment methods. Evaluating likelihood, impact, and severity of risks. Prioritizing risks for mitigation based on organizational objectives. 3. Risk mitigation strategies. Avoidance, reduction, transfer, and acceptance of risks. Hedging strategies for market and financial risks. Insurance and contractual safeguards. Contingency planning and scenario analysis. 4. Decision-making frameworks in financial contexts. Rational decision-making model. Data-driven and logical approach. Behavioral decision-making. Understanding cognitive biases and heuristics. Strategic decision-making. Aligning choices with organizational goals. Integrating risk assessment into decision-making processes. 5. Risk-adjusted performance metrics. Understanding the risk-return trade-off, sensitivity analysis, testing decisions under different assumptions, value at risk, VAR, and expected loss calculations, using financial metrics to guide risk-aware decisions. 6. Scenario analysis and stress testing. Preparing for best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios. Evaluating the impact of external factors, economic, political, market. Stress testing budgets, forecasts, and investments. Lessons from organizational case studies illustrating scenario planning. 7. Common pitfalls in risk management and decision-making. Overconfidence bias and underestimating risk. Ignoring indirect or hidden risks. Over-reliance on historical data without considering future uncertainties. Making decisions without stakeholder input or cross-functional collaboration. 8. Practical exercises and case studies. Identifying risks in sample projects and operational plans. Performing risk assessment and mitigation planning. Conducting scenario analysis and stress testing exercises. Evaluating case studies of organizational decision-making under financial uncertainty.